local tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. If you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's served by you that in these parts, that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible.
Kind of like stopped.
See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that is the sound of adventure. Adventure man, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland.
When you started daycare, I was worried that they weren't going to let you have a pacifier, but you could have it like a nap time. But they never really gave it to you at nap time, and you were fine.
They let him bring his lovey. Like, he can bring me.
Now, if you're more than rooting to then better saddle up. This here's Frontierland. Campfires and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Thunder. Catch a ride on its runaway train. Just ahead, I heard some new critters are moving in. Splash. Take a listen. We're almost there.
They'll literally be like, Val will be like, oh, it's probably in the sandbox. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's fine.
We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone. Come to a complete stop. If you disembark, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before and forward. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we arrive at Frontierland Station, please stay fully seated until the train comes to a full complete stop and gets you all clear. Once again, folks, please stay fully seated. There's the all clear. Lower your head, watch your step. This is Frontierland Station.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your load. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love finding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own.
And IBS.
I think so too.
Risk outweigh the benefit.
But I
Pregnancy.
I think too that back then they were less chemically, and more
The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
It's a train.
Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Tinker, we really must find some stronger trains.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around here. Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacular-rific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. In his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding them. That way, we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
As we arrive at Fantasyland Station, please stay fully seated until the train comes to a full and quick stop and I give the all clear. Once again, folks, please stay fully seated until I've given that all clear. Come, stay seated, folks. Sorry, we did not say stand up. There's the all clear. Lower your head, watch your step. Thank you for those of you who waited.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. Just because we're on the straight.
I promise it'll help a little bit. Hey, it doesn't hurt to try.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the moon. But I'm still all but in love. Intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, In this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, let's say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello. This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
As you arrive at Main Street Station, please stay fully seated until the train comes to a full stop and I get the all clear. Once again, folks, please stay fully seated.